How to fix Facebook failed problem easily. So hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to the settings page on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager and go to apps, scroll down again until you find Facebook, click on it and then click on this force stop option right here and then go down to storage, click on clear data, and after that all what you have to do now is simple. Just scroll down again, go to app details and it will open Google Play. Now all what you have to do here is click on update if you don't have the last version of Facebook, and after that just reopen Facebook and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.